The boss from Liaoning watched our refurbishment video and spent 100,000 to acquire this car that has only driven 200,000 kilometers. The once top-tier ride, the LS460, has an engine and chassis leaking oil and water everywhere, with parts aging and cracking, and a dull exterior covered in scratches. The boss said money is not an issue, as long as it is restored to a like-new condition. Let's see how we rejuvenate it, remove the engine, and start the engine overhaul.
It looks like it's leaking. Rewrapping of cut bundles. Disassemble the engine. This is Zhongzi. The engine has 2 sets of fuel injectors. The thick layer of carbon deposits unsurprisingly caused the steel to break down. Super ultrasonic cleaning.
Class begins.
Re-employment exam. Auto repairs completed. Engine assembly begins. Engine loading. Chassis refurbishment begins to fix looseness and abnormal noises, upgrading and servicing the braking system to improve safety. This consumes more than 1 liter of fuel per 100 kilometers. All chassis components are fully removed to prepare for reapplying the underbody protective coating. The exterior preparation begins with disassembling the vehicle. Elegant dry film base. Make sure the paint inlet valve is properly masked. Degrease and remove dust to ensure a clean paint finish. Then spray the entire car with durable paint, 3 coats of color and 3 coats of clear coat. For the polishing result, it already looks extremely glossy. Interior-wise, it's enough to warrant a complete reupholstery. Deep cleaning of the entire vehicle, inside and out. Final multi-stage polishing to finish. And now the main feature begins. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.